Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Janiella. Today we will learn how to say words in English with the correct pronunciation. Ready? Let's begin. We will focus on the word an. Ban, ban. Can, fan, fan. Man, man. Pan, pan. Ran, ran. Tan, tan. Van, van. Okay, now we will say the words a little bit faster. An, ban, ban. Can, fan, fan. Man, pan, pan. Ran, tan, van. And that is all for today's video. I hope you were able to learn how to pronounce some new words. Please remember to subscribe and follow my page for more videos in English. Bye. Have a good day.